Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduk, and this is tip number 311. Application Insights with Power Pages. Way back in tip number 110, I covered the steps to adding application insights to what was then known as Power Apps portals. It was recently pointed out that the steps have changed a bit, so let's look at how that process has changed. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to subscribe to the Engineered Code YouTube channel for our weekly tips, monthly community calls, and lots of other Power Pages and Power Platform content. If you're using the standard data model, the process actually hasn't changed. Tip number 110 is still completely accurate. However, if you're using the enhanced data model, and thus using the Power Pages Management app instead of the Portal Management app, you'll no longer see the Enable Traffic Analytics option in the menu. Thankfully, that area was just a simple wrapper on top of something that isn't too complicated: content snippets. To add application insights to a Power Pages site using the enhanced data model, simply create a content snippet with the name of tracking code and paste your application insights JavaScript in there. That's all the Enable Traffic Analytics screen was doing anyways. And don't forget to clear the cache to see your code on the site. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 311 on application insights with Power Pages useful.